رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today is our very first lecture of e-learning session for grade 9 physics. We are going to start with unit number 1, physical quantities and measurement. Today we will start with the first topic, that is about the introduction to physics. During our lecture, I would like to share quotation with you. Just keep taking chances and have fun. Now there is Lord Kelvin's statement about the measurements. He said that when you can measure what you are speaking about and express it in numbers, you know something about it. And when you cannot express it in numbers, your knowledge is insufficient and of unsatisfactory kind. Now the learning outcomes of the today's lecture will be, first of all, we will have a look on the definition of science and its division. Then we will introduce physics and its branches, some of its branches. And then at the end we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the scientific inventions. As all you people know that man has always been inspired by the wonders of nature, and he has always been curious to know the secrets of nature and remained in search of the truth and reality. He observes the various physical phenomena and tries to find their answers by the logical reasoning. Define science as the knowledge gained through observations and experimentations. Science in actual it is a Latin word which is derived from scientia, and the word scientia means knowledge. So in science it is just the knowledge which we gain through the observations and experimentations. Until 18th century, there was only one discipline which was called the natural philosophy or science, under which all the aspects of material object were studied. But as the knowledge increased, it was divided into the two main streams, as the biological sciences, in which we study the living things, and the second stream was the physical sciences, which deals with the study of non-living things. Later on in the 19th century, physical sciences were divided into 5 distinct disciplines, in which one of them is physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, and meteorology. Now we will introduce physics. Physics is the study of the natural world, that is from the very large sized objects, for example the solar system, to the very small object, for example the atom. Physics is the most fundamental of all the branches. It helps us to understand nature. Universe comprises of the two things. First of all, it comprises matter, Matter means any stuff, the mass of the object, the atoms. And to keep them together, energy is required, or we can say that the energy makes the stuff to move. So the whole universe is made up of the two things, that is matter and energy and their interconversion. Physics actually deals with the study of matter, energy and their interaction with each other. And the laws and principles of physics help us to understand the nature. Now we will move towards the branches of physics. There are many branches of physics, but some of them we will discuss in our course in this video. First branch which we are going to discuss is mechanics. Mechanics is actually the study of motion of objects, its causes and effects. Second one is heat. It deals with the nature of heat, modes of transfer and effects of heat. Third one is sound. It deals with the physical aspects of sound waves, their production, properties, and applications. Fourth one is light, or we can also call it as optics. It is the study of physical aspects of light, its properties, working, and use of optical instruments. Fifth one is electricity and magnetism. It is the study of the charges at rest and in motion, their effects, and their relationship with the magnetism. Sixth one is the atomic physics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about the structure and properties of an atom. Then there is another branch named as the nuclear physics. In this branch, it deals with the properties and behavior of nuclei and the particles within the nuclei. Then there is a new branch which is named as plasma physics. It is the study of the production properties of the ionic state of matter, and plasma is also the fourth state of the matter. The last one which we are going to discuss in this lecture will be geophysics. Geophysics is the study of the internal structure of the earth. Now the definitions for the branches are as follow. Dear students, now you can pause the video to note down the definitions for the branches of physics. Next we will discuss advantages of the scientific inventions. The rapid progress in science during the recent years has become possible due to the discoveries and inventions in the field of physics. The technologies that are the applications of the scientific inventions. Most of the technologies of our modern society throughout the world are related to physics. For example, a car is made on the principles of mechanics. A refrigerator is based on the principles of thermodynamics. In our daily life, we hardly find a device where physics is not involved. If we consider a police system that make it easy to lift heavy loads, electricity is used not only to get light and heat but also mechanical energy that drives fans and electric motors, etc. Now, if we consider the means of transportation such as car and aeroplanes, domestic appliances such as air conditioners, refrigerators, vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and microwave ovens, etc. Similarly, the means of communication such as radio, TV, telephone, and computer are the result of applications of physics. These devices have made our lives much easier, faster, and more comfortable than the past. For example, think of a mobile phone that is smaller than our palm can do. It allows us to contact people anywhere in the world and to get latest worldwide information. We can take and save pictures, send and receive messages to our friends. We can also receive radio transmissions and can use it as a calculator as well. Scientific inventions have also caused harms and destruction to serious nature. One of them is the environmental pollution and the other is deadly weapons. Now, do you hope that you get this lecture? And now I'm going to share today's homework with you guys. Kindly note down these questions and try to answer them. Thank you for today. For any kind of queries, you can write your questions in the comment section below. That's all for today. I hope you guys get this lecture. See you tomorrow with the new topic. Till then, take good care of yourself and study well. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.